All right, we're good.
Well, our original design was we've got proximity sensors mounted next to each one of these fan ducts. You can't really see them from there probably, but there's a fan spinning in each one of these. And it was going to try to be self-leveling so that when you put the platform in here, as it got closer to the proximity sensor, it'd speed the fan up and then keep it at a certain height. Our issue was that we could get the proximity sensors to turn the fans, but not fast enough to lift the platform. I think our currents were just too low. We tried different motors. We also originally ran it through a digital PID circuit that was a DC input and a PWM output, and the current was very low on it. We tried to amplify it with, like the other groups, with the same Darlington circuit that they used. And it'll run, but all it does is just barely turn the fans. But you can put your hand in front of it. I don't know if you can see that, but it will speed each fan up when you put your hand over the sensor. So the batteries are getting kind of low now. You'll see it speeds up. It speeds up. So as each one of these platforms gets a little closer to the proximity sensor, it will speed up each individual.
The idea was to have it level and then be able to put like a quarter or a weight on one corner and let it re-level. Was the principle.
So eventually, the only thing we could do to get enough current to each one of these motors, because I guess they're pretty high amp draw, is just to run the signal directly from each individual sensor, and we couldn't really filter it much.
If we had 3 sensors per fan, we would have 3 times the voltage and current, and I think it would have worked.
We also we tried using. We built like a multiplier circuit. We built a
non-inverting amplifier. Anyway, better luck next time.
Yeah, we're good.
Does anybody have any questions?
Why couldn't you use like some line, like a piece of paper or something?
Well, I mean, it was.
This thing is probably weighs less than poster board. I mean,
I don't think paper would be rigid enough if it was just a piece of paper. You know?
Yeah, and I did try it originally with just like a sheet of paper, and it wouldn't even blow hard enough to do that. But I mean, it does what we want it to do.
I mean, if you just hook it up, we got them zinging the other night.
So it's something with the current being limited by the circuit that you've designed.
Right.
Yeah.
When it goes with the sensor, it has something to do with it.
And it does seem like this one is behaving.
Yeah, and I think the batteries
are going low on each one of the sensors.
But yeah, that one did behave the best. Anyway, we tried.
Okay. Let's give him a hand.